Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing how to log in Capital One bank account on PC. Firstly, you need to open your preferred browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome. On the search bar, click over there and type capitalone.com. Then tap on Sign In. You will be required to enter your username and password. Then tap on Sign In. If you want a reminder for your username and password, then tap on Yes, please remind me. Now successfully you have logged in Capital One bank account on PC, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.